Hello, in this video I will manicure short nails using gel polish. Today I want to make an ombre nail design and a simple pattern with gel paint. At first I prepare the nails. I use the buffer to remove any shine from a natural nail. I apply bond and primer. I prefer to apply primer only under the nail tips. I think it's enough. Let's start with coloring the nail with base coat. Apply the first layer and cure in LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now I apply color gel polish. I color ring fingernail with white gel polish. Cure in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I apply the second layer of gel polish. I color 1/3 of a nail with a ring finger with white gel polish. Then I even gel polish with a thin brush. I leave a small gap and cover the rest of the nail with a darker color. Now I take an ombre brush. Moisturize it a bit with alcohol or degreaser. Straighten the brush pile. Draw one color over another with light motion. You should wipe the brush with a napkin from time to time. Then cure in a LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now I repeat it once again. I apply the gel polishes one more time. At first I draw the darker color over white and then white over the darker one. Cure in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. coat and cure in LED lamp for 30 seconds. Remove a sticky layer with alcohol. Now I take a brush 0, a drop of wet gel paint and top coat. I saturate the brush with top coat and wipe it with a napkin to create a precise shape. I take a small amount of paint with the brush. The brush should remain thin. I am going to paint a flower. I hope it will look like a 4-leaf flower. Cure in LED lamp for 30 seconds. Take a drop of base coat, apply rhinestones and use the lamp to fix them. Fix rhinestones carefully on the sides with a thin brush and top coat and cure in the LED lamp once again.